ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి, జేఈఈ అయినా, నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Hi students, now a brief introduction about the circle, just like ellipse and hyperbola, just general equations. The equation of circle with the center A comma B and a radius r is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. Equation of circle with the center a comma b, radius r. Let this is C, center a comma b, this is radius is r. Let the point is Px comma y be a point on the circle. Px comma y be a point on the circle. What from that, what is Cp is equal to what? Radius. Distance between C and P is radius. So Cp square is equal to r square. Cp square means distance between 2 points. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 whole square. So x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So this is the circle equation. Okay, by expanding this, x square plus a square minus 2ax plus y square plus b square minus 2by, r square this side minus r square equal to 0. So this is x square plus y square minus 2ax minus 2by plus a square plus b square minus r square equal to 0. So x square, y square term, x term, y term, and this is everything is constant. So this is the constant equation. Okay, x square plus y square term, x term, y term, and constant. Okay, this is the circle equation. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. So this is circle equation. And so this is y square is equal to 4ax. This is a parabola. This is parabola. Actually, full information, detailed information you will get the second year topics, conic sections, parabola, circle, ellipse, hyperbola. These are the main topics in second year. Just a brief idea, circle. So this is the standard form of parabola equation. Next one is ellipse. Ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. The shape is like this. This is ellipse. And one is hyperbola. Hyperbola, this is the this is standard equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal minus. This is the hyperbola equation. hyperbola. Next one is rectangular hyperbola. Hyperbola is, this is standard equation is xy is equal to c square. This is called rectangular hyperbola. Okay, na? This is y square equal to 4x form parabola, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is ellipse. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. This is a hyperbola, and xy equal to c square. That is a rectangular hyperbola. One problem, the locus of the point, locus of the point 3 plus 5 3 plus 5 cos theta and 4 plus 5 sin theta is first option circle, second one parabola, third one ellipse, fourth one hyperbola. Locus of the point. Locus of the point means by eliminating theta. So let the point is x comma y. X, this is call it x y. 3 plus 5 cos theta comma 4 plus 5 sin theta. Okay, na? That is x is equal to 3 plus 5 cos theta implies x minus 3 is equal to 5 cos theta, and y is equal to 4 plus 5 sin theta implies y minus 4 is equal to 5 sin theta. Okay, na? This is called 1, this is 2. Now squaring and adding these two, squaring and adding, that is what, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to, by squaring 25 cos square theta, by squaring 25 sin square theta. Now 25 is taking common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 25. But this is of the form, is of the form x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square form. So which is a circle, okay. The locus of the point is a circle. Next one, the locus of the point 5 cos theta comma 4 sin theta is locus of the point is. By eliminating theta, that is the locus. Same. Let x comma y is equal to x, the point is x comma y, 5 cos theta comma 4 sin theta. X is equal to 5 cos theta, implies x by 5 is equal to cos theta, and y is equal to 4 sin theta, implies y by 4 is equal to sin theta. Now these are also, this is first one, second one, squaring and adding, squaring and adding. So this is x by 5 whole square plus y by 5 whole square equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is x square by 5 square is 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, which is ellipse. Okay, the locus is an ellipse. Next one, the locus of the point 3 secant theta 4 tan theta is locus of the point. Here same ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, rectangular hyperbola options. Locus of the point x comma y is equal to 3 secant theta 4 tan theta. X is equal to 3 secant theta, implies x by 3 is equal to secant theta. Y is equal to 4 tan theta, implies y by 4 is equal to tan theta. Now the relation between these two is what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. By eliminating theta, that is the locus. So squaring and subtracting. But first one is what? X by 3 whole square minus y by 4 whole square equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. This is x square by 9 minus y square by 16. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Therefore, the locus is a hyperbola. Locus is a hyperbola. Write down. Next one, the locus of the point 3 into secant theta minus tan theta, 4 into secant theta plus tan theta. Locus of the point, these are all options, are these 4 options. Of this, one is correct. X comma y is equal to 3 into secant theta minus tan theta, 4 into secant theta plus tan theta. So, okay. Now, the relation between secant theta minus tan theta and secant theta plus tan, how to eliminate this theta, this is which is related to trigonometric identities. Now, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. If you are multiplying x into y is equal to 3 into secant theta plus tan theta, 4 into secant theta minus tan theta. 3 into 4, 12. And secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta. Therefore, this is xy is equal to 12. This is 1. So, which is of the form xy equal to c square form, which is a rectangular hyperbola, which is a rectangular hyperbola. See here, x axis, y axis, this is the straight line. Suppose this line makes an angle theta where 0 less than or equal to theta less than 180 degrees. The line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis in anti-clockwise direction. This is the angle theta. Angle is, you can count as anti-clockwise direction. This line makes an angle theta. Then theta is called inclination. Theta is called inclination. Line makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x axis through an anti-clockwise direction. This angle is theta. Theta is called inclination, and tan theta and tan theta is called slope. Tan theta is called slope of the line. Tan theta is called slope of the line. Inclination is 30 degrees. Slope is tan 30, 1 by root 3. Inclination is 45 degrees. Slope is tan 45, 1. Slope is 1, inclination is 45 degrees. Slope is root 3, that is tan theta equal root 3. What is theta? Inclination is 60 degrees. So, this is theta is inclination, and tan theta is slope. Tan theta, slope of the line. So, theta is inclination. Tan theta is slope. Tan theta slope. And the point is one point, point A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. Now the slope of the line joining the 2 points, slope. So the point is A, the point is B. How to find the slope of the line? Slope of the line formula, m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope. Suppose here this is the line makes an angle 60 degrees. This also line makes an angle 60 degrees. Then the two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. See here. If two lines are parallel, implies slopes are equal. Slopes are equal. Next, suppose this makes an angle 30 degrees and this makes an angle 120 degrees. 120 degrees. The line makes an angle 30 degrees. This line inclination is 120 degrees. What is slope of this line? m1 equal to tan 30. What is tan 30 equal to? 1 by root 3. What about slope of this line? m2 equal to tan of 120 degrees. Tan of 120 degrees. Where tan 120 value? Tan of this is 90 plus 30 is equal to second quadrant tan negative minus cot 30. So, okay na? Cot 30 value root 3. Okay. Now, what is m1 into m2 equal to? What is m1? 1 by root 3. m2 is minus root 3. These gets cancelled, minus 1. So, if two lines are perpendicular, then their product of slopes equal to minus 1, provided two non-vertical lines. See here. What is slope of x-axis? This is the x-axis, this is y-axis. This line makes an angle with x-axis. Suppose this is the line AB. Line AB. What is the angle is what? 0. Slope is tan 0 is 0. What is angle between these two? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. What is slope of y-axis? Tan 90. Tan 90 what? Undefined. Tan 90 is undefined. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 1 point. Slope of x-axis is 0. Slope of y-axis, that is vertical line, is not defined, that is undefined. Slope of x-axis means x-axis. What is x-axis? Makes an angle with x-axis 0 degrees. Inclination is 0, slope is tan 0, 0. So, this angle is 90 degrees. What is slope? Inclination is 90 degrees. What is slope is tan 90. Tan 90 what? Not defined. Okay. Slope of x-axis 0. That is slope of horizontal line. Therefore, slope of x-axis is 0. That is slope of horizontal line is 0. Slope of vertical line is not defined. Okay. Theta is called inclination. Tan theta is called slope. Slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Two lines are parallel. Then their slopes are equal. Two lines are perpendicular. Next one. Two lines are are perpendicular, means non-vertical lines. That means what? This is slope 0, this is slope not defined. So these two are perpendicular, but their product is not -1. So that's why non-vertical lines. Two lines are perpendicular implies their product of slopes m1 into m2 equal to -1. Product of slopes equal to -1. Slope of x-axis 0. Slope of y-axis means vertical line is not defined. Next to point slope form. That is, to find the equation of line, we need slope and point. Equation of straight line passing through the point x1 by 1 having slope m. Is equation of straight line passing through the point x1 comma y1 having slope m is, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of straight line passing through the point x1 comma y1 having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Equation of straight line. For example, 2-point form. 2 points are given. The point is A, x1 comma y1. The point is B, x2 comma y2. How to find the equation of line? By joining 2 points A and B. A and B. To find the equation of line, we need a point with slope. Any one point. Point means these are all set of points. This is a point, this is a point, these are all points. We have any one point is enough with slope. So there are 2 points. By taking this point or this point with slope. How to find slope? 2-point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is the equation of line, equation of straight line joining the points, x1 comma y1, and other point is x2 comma y2 is same formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Or we take the point is any one point, y minus y2 is equal to m into x minus x2, any one point where m is equal to, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, okay, this is the slope and point.